Yes, my friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left it is what I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone,